Hey there, it's Tammie Chrin, and welcome to an exciting episode of POD with a Twist. Today I'm diving into something that could revolutionize your self-publishing game. Imagine this, leveraging your Kindle Direct publishing skills to collaborate or partner with businesses, creating branded books and getting paid 4 incredible ways. Are you curious? Stick around because I'm going to show you how you can get paid 4 ways brand booklets for businesses. It is a game changer. Welcome to the POD with a Twist podcast, your ultimate hub for slicing through the noise in the self-publishing biz. I'm Tammie Chrin, your host, and I am here to turbocharge your journey into the world of print-on-demand books with some killer strategies and a fresh twist. With 3 decades of entrepreneurial fire under my belt, I've crafted the game-changing KDP for B2B method. This isn't just about making books, it's about making bank by partnering directly with businesses. You brand it, you bank it. No fuss with ads, keywords, just pure profit from the creation and ongoing sales. No matter if you're dabbling as a part-timer, diving in full-time, or hustling on the side, this podcast has something for everyone. Our goal is to empower you to build a recurring income stream by designing smart, strategic, low to medium content books. And let me tell you, as a pioneer of the KDP for B2B method and the co-founder of AI Self-Publishing Books, I'm bursting to share all of my secrets and strategies. Get ready for bite-sized powerhouse sessions that propel you towards sustainable success and financial freedom. If you're ready to level up your self-publishing skills and edge towards financial independence, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're going to get this party started. Let's go. Welcome back, everyone. I am Tammie Chrin. I am here to rock your world. If you're a self-publisher looking to boost your income and expand your opportunities, I got a treat for you. Today, I am going to be talking about the KDP for B2B method, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing for Business to Business. Now, this strategy is all about partnering with businesses to create branded books that serve as a powerful marketing tool. And the best part, you're going to love this. You can get paid in 4 different ways. I'm going to break it down for you right now. Now, first up, we have the booklet setup fee. This is where you're charging a business a one-time fee for setting up their branded book. Now, think about it. You're providing a valuable service by transforming their content into a polished professional publication. This fee compensates you for your time, your expertise, and the efforts it takes to get everything just right. It's a fantastic way to earn upfront income while showcasing your skills. So the question I always get is, how much should I charge? Is really a great question. And really, this is about your business. Your setup fee can vary depending on the project's complexity and the business size. I'm just going to use some numbers that I want you to just think about and how does this all fit in for your business. So you can start at $600. That is no problem. The key is to know your worth and charge accordingly. Your skills and expertise are valuable, so don't sell yourself short. Please do not sell yourself short. Now you have to remember one thing too, as I go forward, is that this setup fee can be a little bit less because that's not the only income you're going to be making. You're actually making royalties on each booklet. So if you say, okay, I'm going to charge $600 and then you're going to add a royalty to each booklet sold, you're making money on the back end. So just wanted to give you that little bit of heads up of why these fees are maybe lower than other people who actually do the books as a one-time setup. Now let's go to number 2, royalties for each booklet. So every time a copy of a branded booklet is sold, you earn a royalty. Now you're asking why? People are like, why? How does this happen? Because the printed book has been uploaded to your KDP account, and you have added a royalty for each booklet sold, say $5. The beauty of this is that you don't need to worry about ads or keywords. Why? Because the business is driving the traffic to the book. They handle the marketing and you enjoy steady streams of passive income as the book sells. It's a win-win situation. Now consider positioning yourself as the middle person in this business model. Businesses can purchase books directly from Amazon to distribute or resell, creating a profit opportunity. Alternatively, they can buy the books from you, as we commonly refer to as author's copies, or as I like to call them, wholesale costs. This approach allows you to purchase a book at a reduced rate while still earning a royalty on each sale. Additionally, if the business offers a course or a program, they can integrate the cost of the book into their pricing structure. This method allows the businesses to pass the book costs onto their clients as a part of the overall program or course fees, streamlining the whole process. Number 3, collaborative projects. Moving on to collaborative projects and royalty revenue share. This is where you team up with the business for, let's say, $5 you're going to add to your book, but the business wants to make a royalty as well. You can add another $5. So you add $10 royalty. When the book sells, you make your $5 and the business makes $5. Now, this one gets a little bit more complicated in the sense of you have to do more work because it's under your KDP account and you will have to be able to send them their royalties each month. So you have some paperwork to do on this. But the benefit of this is that the business gets excited because they're making a royalty as well. So this model can work very well, but you have to do some setups, either getting, an agreement with this business and making sure you're paying the business every month for the royalties. So on your end, it's going to take a little bit more time and effort, but it can work. Number 4, branded merchandise, or as we call it, merch. This is where you can really be creative. Think beyond the books. Consider branded t-shirts, hats, mugs, water bottles, stickers, anything you can come up with that the business might want to tie to their business brand. Then you do the old create the setup fee. So you get paid a setup fee for all of these merch items. And then you add a royalty to each one as well. It's really an exciting way to diversify your income streams and add value to your partnerships with these businesses. Because once you've built that relationship, they are so excited. They want you to create more products for them and they just want you to do it. And you might be asking, why don't they do it themselves? They don't have time. They're running a business. They don't want to learn how to upload to KDP, create a book, or even do merch. They don't have the time. They're running their own business. This is where you build that partnership, and boy, they love that you can take care of them. Now you have it all. 4 fantastic ways to get paid with the KDP for B2B method: by charging setup fees, earning royalties on each book sold, collaborating on revenue sharing projects, and creating branded merchandise. You can significantly boost your income and expand your self-publishing business. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get you started. Start reaching out to these businesses, explore the endless possibilities of the KDP for B2B method. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep creating, keep thriving. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to subscribe. It really does help, does make a difference. And leave a review, share it with fellow self-publishers, and let's keep this conversation going on social media. Tag me with your thoughts and ideas on how you're using the KDP for B2B method. And I can't wait to tell you more about it. If you're interested in the KDP for B2B method, there's the links below. Check them out. I have all kinds of information for you. See you on the next episode. Hey there, self-publishers. Are your book sales not quite hitting the mark?
Feeling stuck in the slow lane on the road to success? Well, I've got a turbocharged idea just for you. Imagine turning those amazing self-publishing skills of yours into a powerhouse partnership with businesses. Yes, businesses. They have the content and you have the know-how. Together, you can create their branded books. And here's the kicker. You get paid a setup fee plus ongoing royalties for every single book sold. Curious? You should be.
Jump into this new adventure
with my free ebook, The KDP for B2B Method. That's Kindle Direct Publishing for business to business. It's your ticket to surviving and thriving in the self-publishing world. Don't wait for success to find you. Chase it down. Grab your free copy today and start your journey towards bigger, bolder book sales. See you on the other side of the page.
Thing before I go, the fun legal stuff. I have to read it. Earnings disclaimer. This video is intended for entertainment and educational purposes only. The techniques and ideas presented in this video do not guarantee monetary earnings. Achieving the results mentioned in the videos require personal commitment and hard work. It's important to acknowledge that you should not solely rely on this information provided in this video, and Tammie Chrin, RTC Global LLC, bears no responsibility for the outcomes resulting from this implementation of the concepts discussed. Your participation in any activities mentioned in this video is voluntary and at your own risk. Disclaimer, the video and its descriptions may contain affiliate links. Clicking on these links may result in us receiving a small commission without an additional cost to you. This commission helps support the channel and continue to producing videos for your enjoyment. Please note that before attempting any actions mentioned in the videos, it's imperative to consult with a professional or seek advice from your doctor. We sincerely appreciate your support.